This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Adrienne Downing. This adorable all-brick ranch is a rare find in Westhaven. Huge corner lot has oversized backyard perfect for pool, entertaining, or boat storage. Home features open floor plan with hardwood through most of the house. Very private feel the way it is situated on the lot. Roof and windows have already been replaced. Be home in time for the holidays and for less than rent. For more information, review the details below or contact Adrienne Downing at 757-499-0124.